This is a walkthrough for Mobile Recon Demo version on the Android device. Once you've installed Mobile Recon, simply go to the app in your app section and click on it. I'll use the cursor here on my computer like you'd use your finger. The first screen you see when you open Mobile Recon is your project screen. For the demo version, you'll only have one project and it will be selected for you for your specific organization. On the project screen, click on your project. The next screen you'll see is the layers screen. This is where you create layers for your information. Think of layers as different categories. They'll also show up in these layers in Google Earth. To add a new layer, simply go down and select your options menu. Select Add Layer. Then name your layer. I simply named our layer Test. And once I've named the layer, I'll then drill down into that layer to create a point. So I'm now here on the point screen, and I'll do the same thing to create a point as I did to create a layer. I'll go down to my button, select Add a Point, and I can now add a point. This is for when you are adding a point in the field, whether you're collecting geodata, pictures, video, form data. This is the actual point you're creating and will show up as a point in Google Earth. First, you're going to name your point. Once you've named your point, you're then going to select here the type of templates you want to use for collecting that information. As you can see here, we have a few different options. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to select Template 1 Antenna Test. The next screen you see will actually be the point screen where you enter information. You can have text fields, number fields. You can have a button that allows you to set the date. This will then prompt you to set the date. It defaults to the current date. The same for time. You can have checkboxes. You can also have drop-down menus, like this antenna status. This drop-down menu allows you to pick from whatever control list you want. I'll pick Mars here. Get another checkbox. You can also have multi-text fields. So you really can control whatever data that you want to collect in the field, from text fields, number fields, drop-down boxes, anything that you use in creating a standard form can be duplicated in your Mobile Recon forms and templates so that you have the ability to have those templates in the field. So now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the area for photos. To create a photo, I'll simply go down to the menu button and I'll click Add Image. I'm going to snap a picture using the standard way you snap pictures on your tablet or smartphone. I'll accept that picture or I can retake it. That picture is then saved to this point in Mobile Recon. And you scroll down, you can actually see the picture there. You can take as many photos as you'd like, and you can accept them, and all of those photos will be synced into this point when it's synced into your Google Earth. Also, you can take videos. To do a video, it's very similar. Go to the same screen, the same menu, click video. Now it'll actually take you to a menu bar where you then can look at previous videos you've done or select to add a new video. Since there's no videos here, we're going to simply add a video, and it's the same thing. Any way that you would typically create a video on your tablet or your smartphone, do the same thing here. Record it, accept it, and then it comes back into the system. So there will be my video. I can scroll back to get back to my main screen. All the information is complete. You then are completed. You don't even have to save it. It automatically saves. You can now use this browser back button to back out to the point screen. And there's your point. Notice that it's in red. That means it's not been synchronized. As long as it's not been synchronized, you can edit and change information in that point. To synchronize, simply go to your menu button again. And hit sync. As long as you're in cellular network connection or Wi-Fi connection, this point will then sync to your Google Earth system. That concludes our demonstration. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at contact@navigus.com.